All right, this is problem number 5 of AV2 lesson 3, homework. The volume of a prism is represented by the area of the base times the height. I'm going to go capital H. I think yesterday in the notes I went lowercase h, but I want to keep that. I'm going to use a capital H just because it's going to potentially help us later on. Not in this case, but. Okay, so here we are. What is the shape of our base? It's a square, right? Dimensions are x by x. So the base is x times x, and the height is 2x. Oh my gosh. Wow, that was aggressive. So multiplication, you guys, is commutative, meaning that I can do this. Right? I can move the products around, right, and turn it into whatever I want. Right? But in this case, I want the coefficient on front and x to what power? Third, right? 3x's, x times x times x. Okay, so this is very important. X times x times x is x cubed, right? Because I got x to the first, x to the first, x to the first. X plus x plus x is 3x, okay? Let's keep that straight. Because somebody will do a 3x. There will be a child out there that gets sniped by a little Nerf pellet right to the patella, and they're going to go down. They're going to call it 3x. It's going to happen. It is. Don't be that child. Okay? In the military, we said, don't be that guy. But sometimes it was whatever. But don't be that person. This is not what we're looking for, unless we're adding x's. Right? When you multiply, you add the exponents. Cool. So our volume would be 2x cubed. Well, that's pretty cool because you can set a model like this, and then if, let's say, x is 4, then all I got to do to find the volume is plug 4 in. Oops. 2 times 4 cubed. And 4 cubed is, I think, 64. So that'd be a volume of 128. So it kind of works as, you know what a jig is? A jig? It's something that carpenters use where they're like, hey, I'm going to be cutting a ton of 45-degree angles. Why don't I just set up this contraption where I can slide a piece of wood in there and just cut it? And it'll cut it 45 every time, right? And it might change. The length of the board might change, but the angle will still be the same. So it's like a jig. It allows you to plug whatever you want to in for x. Cool. Convenience. You're into convenience.